Navigating the world of digital marketing can be both rewarding and challenging, particularly for young men and women aged 25 to 45 who are juggling family life, a full-time job, and the pursuit of a side hustle. This demographic often faces unique obstacles as they venture into this dynamic field. Understanding these challenges and finding effective solutions can make a significant difference in achieving success. One of the most common hurdles is the limited time and energy available. Balancing family responsibilities and a full-time job often leaves little room for pursuing a new business. To overcome this, effective time management strategies are crucial. Digital products like time management courses or productivity journals can help in prioritizing tasks and tracking progress efficiently. Another significant challenge is a lack of confidence. Many women experience self-doubt, especially in technical and business-related areas. Building confidence is essential for overcoming these barriers. Self-esteem workbooks or public speaking courses can be particularly helpful in empowering women to communicate effectively and assertively. Financial constraints are also a common concern. Starting a new venture often requires financial investment, which can be daunting for those already managing tight budgets. To address this, budgeting templates or freelancing courses can provide guidance on managing finances and generating additional income. The vast and ever-evolving digital marketing landscape can lead to overwhelm and information overload. Newcomers might find it challenging to sift through the sheer volume of information available. A digital marketing roadmap or toolkit can simplify the learning process and help prioritize essential tasks, making it easier to navigate the complexities of the field. Technical challenges are another significant barrier. Navigating various tools and platforms can be intimidating, particularly for those who are not tech-savvy. Courses on website building or social media management can equip newcomers with the necessary skills to handle digital tools confidently. Defining a niche can also pose difficulties. Identifying a specific target market is essential but can be challenging when trying to appeal to a broader audience. A niche-finding workbook or market research guide can assist in identifying passions and understanding target audiences more effectively. Building an audience from scratch requires time, effort, and consistent engagement. Content marketing and social media strategy courses can help create engaging content and develop a loyal following. This is crucial for growing an online presence and establishing a strong digital footprint. Dealing with rejection is another challenge that many face. Rejection is a natural part of the sales process, and learning to handle it positively is vital for maintaining motivation. Mindset coaching programs and resilience training can foster a positive attitude towards setbacks, helping to stay motivated in the face of adversity. Finding mentorship and support is also important. Connecting with other women in similar situations can provide invaluable guidance and encouragement. Mentorship programs and online communities can bridge this gap by connecting new marketers with experienced professionals who can offer support and advice. Maintaining work-life balance is crucial as the hustle to build a business can often lead to neglecting personal well-being and family time. Self-care guides and time management courses can help prioritize personal well-being alongside business goals, ensuring a healthier balance between work and life. In addition to digital products, creating engaging social media content can also address these challenges. Sharing tips on balancing a full-time job with a side hustle or batch cooking strategies for busy families can resonate with your audience. Motivational quotes or success stories can inspire others to overcome self-doubt, while budgeting tips or creative side hustle ideas can provide practical financial guidance. For those overwhelmed by information overload, simplified guides to digital marketing tools or productivity hacks can be beneficial. Tutorials on common tech issues or building a website without coding can help address technical challenges. Discussing the importance of finding a niche and sharing exercises to help identify one's unique selling proposition can aid in defining a target market. Sharing strategies for creating compelling content and discussing the importance of resilience in the face of rejection can also be effective. Highlighting the benefits of networking and mentorship, along with self-care tips for maintaining work-life balance, can provide valuable support and encouragement. In conclusion, while the journey into digital marketing can be daunting, especially for women managing multiple responsibilities, addressing these common challenges with practical solutions and engaging content can pave the way for success. Embracing the journey with the right tools and support can lead to a fulfilling and successful career in digital marketing, turning obstacles into opportunities for growth and achievement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post new content.